Thank you for attending this press meet. We are really happy and proud to announce the first ever night street race in India, in Chennai. And we are extremely proud of this. A street circuit is a challenging circuit, and I think all of us are going to have the benefit of seeing how the government and Racing Promotions has come together to put together the complete infrastructure covering the street circuit. Broadly, at about 2:45, that will be the flag off. We will have races continuing till about 8:39 p.m. tomorrow, and then on Sunday we have a full day schedule. What I'd love to do today is first and foremost introduce a few of our drivers to you. You can see them seated here. One other very interesting thing is that we have spectator gets his ticket. Along with that, he gets the information about which gate, which box office, what is his pathway to go to his. What we have also done is taken extreme care to ensure an incident-free race, because that is what is the most important factor. For that, we have worked closely with the respective government departments, including the police, the fire, PWD, health, all the departments. We have arranged proper 3 to 4 wheeler security, adequate safety precautions.
Everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm driving for the Chennai Turbo Riders. And yeah, so this is my second season and really excited because I'm a Chennai driver.
Everyone, yeah, grateful to be here. Yeah, it's going to be my first street race here in Chennai, as for everyone else. And yeah, really looking forward. It's going to be my first street night race, sorry. And yeah, in the first year of the Indian Racing League, we had the street race in Hyderabad, and it was a super nice experience. So yeah, really looking forward to do now the race here in Chennai. Looking forward to do a track walk, and yeah, let's see how the tracks looks like, and I'm pretty sure we will have a lot of fun outside there.
And it's a great honor and a privilege to be part of this event. Now, the 18 வருஷமா car racing பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். In fact, I really like to thank the organizers, and we have our Chief Secretary and Member Secretary of ST80, Mr. Meghnath Reddy sir and Atulya Mishra sir, and our Sports Minister, Youth Welfare and Sports Development Minister, Mr. Udayanidhi Salan, who has really brought this opportunity to all of us and racing to the streets of Chennai, where the public can really access and watch it. எனக்கு வந்து it's a dream come true. 18 வருஷமா நான் ரேசிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ அது ஒரு பக்கமாக இருந்தாலும் there is something which is really special, which people will be getting to know more. ஸோ நான் பிறக்கும்போதே எனக்கு 2 கால் எடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ I was a para-athlete. I was known as a para-athlete, a proud para-athlete. ஸோ இனி வரைக்கும் 18 வருஷமாக தொடர்ந்து எல்லா காம்படிஷனும் நான் கலந்துருக்கேன். இன்ஃபேக்ட் நான் மாடிஃபைட் கார்ஸ் தான் ஓட்டியிருக்கேன். இனி வரைக்கும் எந்த மாடிஃபிகேஷன்ஸும் பார்த்தது கிடையாது. அட் த சேம் டைம், இஸ் இட் ஈஸி? நோ, இட்ஸ் நாட் ஈஸி, இட்ஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். கண்டிப்பாக there was a lot of discipline and safety measures I had to take, and the discipline which I had to demonstrate was closely watched by the federation. And இன்னைக்கு வந்து ரீசெண்டாக FIA Disability Accessibility Commission கூட எனக்கு ஒரு grant கொடுத்துருக்காங்க with the support of the federation. And I was initially coached by Mr. Akbar Ibrahim, and later on I was guided by his son Arman Ibrahim. We have tested abroad, and அவங்க வந்து நிறைய தடவை எனக்கு ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸில் வந்து என்னை ஓட்ட வச்சுருக்காங்க, இன்க்ளூடிங் 2011 Formula 1 சப்போர்ட் ரேஸாக இருக்கட்டும், JK சீரீஸ் அண்ட் லாட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் காம்படிஷன்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு வந்து எனக்கு இந்த வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்ததுக்காக நான் கண்டிப்பாக உங்களை தேங்க் பண்ண விரும்புகிறேன்.
Everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm driving for the Chennai Turbo Riders. And yeah, so this is my second season, and really excited because I'm a Chennai driver. Really excited again, like being a Chennai driver and driving for the Chennai Turbo Riders, and you know, being given this opportunity to have a street race again, and yeah, that's
with both hands. It's definitely a new experience coming here. I think it's a really good opportunity to one, experience your culture, and as well as your championship. Super appreciative of the organisers organising such a nice race, let's say. Definitely, it's nothing I've experienced before. I've driven street tracks, but nothing at night. So I've been to the track and it looks really good. And yeah, I think it's a really good opportunity for Indian drivers to have such a good championship in their own country. And yeah, for international people to get the opportunity to come, and experience something so good. So looking forward to it.
It is the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister that the best of the events which are happening anywhere in the world should come to Tamil Nadu. They should come to Chennai. It's all started with the Chess Olympiad. Then the journey has been long. You all know about the various things our government, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and under the guidance of our Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Welfare. We have done the World Squash Cup, we have done the Asian Hockey League, we have done various big tennis tournaments, sailing tournaments, surfing tournaments, and now it is a turn of a tournament of a sport which has unparalleled history. First time night race is coming to India, first time a night race is coming to Chennai. We will be one of those 14 cities in the world which will be in the map to have held this kind of a celebration. And I must say that motorsports is one of the most widely seen sports on TV. It is probably bigger than any other sport we know about, and we will be having a footprint of that sport in India, and we'll be having a footprint of that sport in Chennai. It is a matter of great honor, and now the things have been all set. I would like to stop at this, and I congratulate my colleague Mr. Megnath Reddy from MSSDAT and the entire team of RPPL and our guest drivers. Only few of them are here. Yesterday we had a photo op with our Honorable Minister. They had all gone to call on the Honorable Minister. They are from the league teams as well as from the formula teams. So you will be all seeing them in action from tomorrow onwards. Nandri Vanakkam.